There's good news for homes in Siesta Key that need roof cleaning. Tile roof cleaning can be done completely by drone, meaning no person ever has to actually stand on the roof. This breakthrough technology was introduced recently by Sarasota pressure washing experts Fleet Kleen. Affectionately called HyDrone, this industrial drone flies over elevated surfaces, gently dropping specially formulated detergents on the roof to clean it. HyDrone is now available to clean commercial structures and residential properties in Sarasota County, Manatee County, and South Hillsborough County. HyDrone was specifically created to help solve the problem of people physically having to be on a roof, in order to clean out algae, mold, dirt and grime. To contact Fleet Kleen, visit their website at fleetkleenservice.com. Phone number 941-723-0086.